Welcome once more to Channel Venus. I'm continuing my English language class, and I'll be at least 10 words every day, 10 new words every day, which will help you to enrich your vocabulary, your collection of words. So, a few words to increase your collection. Please pay attention. I'll be discussing the meaning with you as well. Number 1, platitude. It means it is a remark with a moral behind it. A remark which is given with a moral behind it. I'll be giving you the sentences supporting the meanings of these particular words in the next video. The next word, bellicose. Showing the eagerness to fight. Showing aggressiveness. The third word, credulous. A person who believes others very easily. The next one, pugnacious. A person who is quick or extremely eager to fight or argue. Pugnacious is a person who is extremely eager and quick to fight or argue. Number 5, thwart. It means trying to prevent someone from achieving something. Thwart is trying to prevent someone from achieving something. Number 6, trammel. Being restricted from freedom or action. Trammel is being restricted from freedom or action. Contrite. Feeling apologetic or realizing one's own mistake. What is contrite? Feeling apologetic or realizing one's own mistake. Dehisce. To burst open. Dehisce, to burst open. Number 9, laggard. A person who finds it difficult to go ahead of others. Laggard is a person who finds it difficult to go ahead of others. Number 10 is strife. An angry exchange of words over some sort of disagreement. It is an angry exchange of words over some sort of disagreement. I'll repeat the words once more from the beginning, giving you the spelling of the word. Number 1, platitude. 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 It means a remark with a moral behind it. Number 2, bellicose. 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 It means showing the eagerness to fight. That is being aggressive. Number 3, credulous. Credulous. I'll repeat, Credulous. Credulous means a person who believes others easily. Number 4, pugnacious. Pugnacious. I'll repeat, Pugnacious. Pugnacious is a person who is quick or extremely eager to fight or argue. Number 5, thwart. 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 It means trying to prevent someone from achieving something. Number 6, trammel. 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 It means being restricted from freedom or action. I'll repeat the spelling. Trammel. Trammel. It means being restricted from freedom or action. Number 7, contrite. Contrite. Contrite means feeling apologetic or realizing one's own mistake. Number 8, dehisce. 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 It means to burst open. Number 9, laggard. 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 Laggard is a person who finds it difficult to go ahead of others. Number 10, strife. Strife. Strife means an angry exchange of words over some sort of disagreement. It is an angry exchange of words over some sort of disagreement. Well, we'll continue in the next class. Please put in your remarks and please do like, share and subscribe. Put in questions in the comment box. I'll be very interested in answering them for you. Thank you so much.